Let's put some finishing touches on our mama hen. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to sew the top of her head closed. So thread your yarn through the yarn needle and then weave it around in the stitches that you just made in that last round. I like to use the outside loop to sew the head shut so that it is nice and tight. Once you've gone all the way around, pull the yarn to close the circle. When you're done closing the circle on the head, weave in the yarn so it ends up at the large opening. We're going to use this yarn later to sew the hen closed, so we want it to be available there. Don't worry too much about how this looks. It is going to be covered up by the comb. Now that that's taken care of, let's work on the comb. Grab your red yarn and your crochet hook, and I will see you in the next video.